If you want to be able to put in a key code and get a weapon granted, this video will teach you how to do that. We're going to be using a code by Maestro Shark. I'll link it in my Discord. It'll be in the free code section. So once you've got that piece of code, you can either come over here, click Verse Explorer. You can then click Create New File. Call it whatever you want, Verse File. And then just copy and paste the code. For example, Control A, Control C, and then you can go ahead and Control V. Everything should work fine. The reason why it's showing so many errors is because I created 2 of them. Otherwise, there wouldn't be errors. So now that that's built, go ahead and press your new folder. You'll see a verse class called pinpad device. Inside of here, you're going to need a button for them to type at. It might have tooltips to explain to you what you need to do. It doesn't, but it's okay. So then there's going to be a success trigger and a fail trigger. If you need to set those up, then do that. For me, I don't need to. But maybe it would be better to just set up only a fail trigger. And then you could connect a HUD message device to it. Just saying like, you failed. Put that on triggering player, or write incorrect code, for example. And have that to show when, let's name it, fail trigger happens. Inside of a sign button, click the pipette and then click on your button. Click the fail trigger. For the success trigger, I don't need to do one because we're going to be setting those up individually. So for example, if I wanted them to put in the code 567, I need to create a new trigger and call that trigger success trigger gun 1, for example, something like this. Then we link it up to success gun trigger 1. Then we need to go get an item granter, put it next to it so we know what one, and we can call this as well success. I think I called it success gun 1. Yeah. Okay. Then go ahead and change keep on grant action to keep all. Add the weapon that you want to get granted. For example, I'm just going to choose pistol level 5. Pistol level 5, there we go. Trigger and player only. Yep. Okay, so now we want grant item when this code is inputted. So now if I go show you this in game, you will see that I get that weapon. You can do this to apply special VFX and many other things. You just have to use your mind. So I'm going to show you this now. You would have already seen it in the intro probably, but let's see this. So if you find this video helpful, you can use my creator code GISMO, GISMO. I also have courses for beginners in the description. So let's check this out. 567, we should get pistols. There we are. So do that for as many weapons as you need. Set up a different code, obviously. As in inside of here, you just set up another trigger and another pin. Subscribe for more.